I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Setting up an ESIM on your Samsung device can seem daunting, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Access settings. Open the settings app on your Samsung device. You can find the settings icon in your app drawer or swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Step 2. Select connections. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on connections. This is where you can manage all your network settings, including mobile networks. Step 3. Choose ESIM Card Manager. Next, tap on ESIM Card Manager. Here, you will see options for managing your physical ESIM and ESIM. Step 4. Add mobile plan. Before activation, use the srock.com link in the description to open the ESIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Once you scan the QR code or enter the details, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. Remember, if you encounter a no service message after setup, double-check that your ESIM is activated with your carrier and that you've selected it as your active plan. I hope this helps you get your ESIM up and running smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.